Hi guys, this is Abhinav. Welcome to our small session of Nikon D500, and today I'm going to discuss something else. So what Mr. Yadu has asked in the morning, in the afternoon, what is auto exposure lock and things like that, bracketing basically. So I'll be trying to showcase you this video, what settings I have done. So before I begin, so let me come down to the master of today's video, that is this small button called BKT bracketing. We'll start using bracketing in Nikon D500. So you can see here, so what is happening, this no setting has been changed, it is absolutely normal. You can see it's on raw and white balance is on auto. Let me show you some more things. AFC, standard DX, etc, 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 everything is standard. Note one thing, that the ISO is on 1000, right? So it's on 1000 at a very lower, and the shutter speed is approximately 1/5 5.6. Now I'm pressing the bracket button. It will ask me for auto exposure and flash settings. So this is the increment value. First is 0.3, you can change it. So just take a look at this display. So it can go like 0.3, 0.7, 1.0, 2.0, etc, etc. I'm taking it at 0.3 as standard and switching the frame value as 3F. Now you will see the magic. What is going to happen? Note AE BKT 3x3 option is active. Camera is there now. Now see what is going to happen. I simply move the dial to the left. It is minus 0.3. The shutter speed has increased now. See the same settings, same exposure. Minus 0.7, 1/6, 1/8, 1/10, 1/13, 1/15, right? So this is changing the shutter speed now. See the difference. So this is another secret of how I'm capturing the images using AE and BKT. So this was the hardware kind of a thing what we did. Now let's come down to the internal part of what changes we have done in the camera itself. Coming down to this menu, going to metering and exposure. In custom, metering and exposure sections, 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3 you have to select. ISO, EV step control value, exposure compensation. So we are not using any flash or something, so that's why 1/3 again, right? So these 2-3 buttons. Shutter release, AE lock, this needs to be on. And one more thing, let me give you this idea. Just hold on, one more button is there, half press. So basically what is happening, this one, shutter release AEL on half press, on half press. 2-3 settings, keep the camera on aperture priority and you're all set to go. However, don't use the camera at f5.6. we are at 200/500, so we are using approximately 7.1, for that matter 8 as well at times, right? So this is the setting that I'm doing now, auto bracketing, etc, etc. And yes, things would be in favor. You can see the results. Thank you. This is Abhinav signing off.